In this video, I'll show you how to get your private key from Trust Wallet. In practice, this means viewing your recovery phrase, which is the master key to your wallet. First, open Trust Wallet, and in the main screen, click the main wallet. You'll see a list of your wallets like Main Wallet 1. Tap the three dots next to the wallet you want. Now tap Show Secret Phrase/Show Recovery Phrase. Trust Wallet will warn you. Read it carefully, then confirm. You'll see your 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper, in order, and keep it somewhere offline and private. This phrase is effectively your private key for the whole wallet. Anyone who sees it can take all your funds, so never share it, never screenshot it, and never paste it into random websites or chats. If you ever want the actual single address private key, you can import this recovery phrase into another wallet that supports showing individual keys. But only do that with software you fully trust. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.